Jai Srimanarayana. 33rd sloka of 4th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Shreyan Dravyamayat Yajñat Jnanayajñaha Parantapa Sarvam Karmakhilam Pardha Jnane Parisamapyate. Om. Do your action with right understanding. Always remember, every entity has soul who is permanent. Do not perform a very formalistic ritualism. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommends that every one of us should surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, Mamekam Saranam Vraja. Now let us respond to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, O Srimanarayana, I shall perform all of my actions with right understanding. I shall not do any rituals very formalistically. I shall constantly remember that every entity has a soul who is permanent. O Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. O Srimanarayana, I shall act according to your word. Srimanarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krityam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hridayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 9th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Paramatma came down as Parasurama and killed so many unrighteous kings. Now, there is one Viswamitra. He is the son of King Gadhi. Because of his great amount of tapasya, tapasa kshatram utsrujya yaha lebhe brahma varchasam. Because of his great amount of tapasya, he relieved from kshatriya, the nature, and he got brahma varchasam, brahmanatvam. He became Brahmarshi. That Viswamitra has 101 sons. The middle one is Madhuchanda. Because of him, all his sons are known as Madhuchandas. And there used to be another one. He is Sunassepa. He is also known as Devarata. He is the son of Ajigartha. So Vishwamitra treated Sunassepa as one of his sons and asked all other his sons to treat Sunassepa as their eldest brother. Sunassepa is the one who was given to Harishchandra's yajnam as a bali. Sunassepa was given by his own father. When Sunassepa was brought to Harishchandra's yajna mandapam, Sunassepa prayed Brahma and all other devatas, and with their anugraham, he got relieved from that bali. Like that, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmat Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarasetravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 4th chapter, 33rd sloka. Shreyan Dravyamayat Yajnat Jnana Yajnah Parantapa Sarvam Karma Akhilam Pardha Jnane Parisamapyate. Shreyan Dravyamayat Yajnat Jnana Yajnah Parantapa Sarvam Karma Akhilam Pardha Jnane Parisamapyate. Srimannarayana Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.